Ramadan Kareem, Ramadan Mubarak to all my viewers. Ramadan is the most precious month in the Islamic calendar, that is Hijri, and it is obligatory for the Muslims to fast in the month of Ramadan. Here are some interesting facts that show the importance of Ramadan in Islam. What is Ramadan? Ninth month of the Hijri calendar, that is lunar calendar. The lunar calendar is approx 10 days shorter than the Georgian calendar. Ramadan begins at the sighting of the new moon. Ramadan ends at the sighting of Shawwal moon. Eid al-Fitr falls on the first day of the Shawwal month. Significance of Ramadan. Ramadan is a holy month of fasting, introspection and prayers for Muslims, the followers of Islam all over the world. Holy Quran was first revealed in the month of Ramadan. Ramadan is known to be the month of Quran. It is highly recommended in the Ramadan to read and study the Holy Quran and to share with others. It is celebrated as the month during which Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, received the initial revelation of the Quran, the holy book for the Muslims. As compared to the solar calendar, the dates of Ramadan vary, moving backwards about 10 days each year, and holidays depending on the moon sighting. The night of decree or the night of power, Laylat al-Qadr, is the last 10 days of this month, which is better than 1,000 months. In this holy month, the gates of paradise are opened, gates of hell are closed, and the devils are chained up. Fasting in Ramadan is one of the 5 fundamental principles of Islam. Fasting in the month of Ramadan is the 4th pillar of Islam among the 5. Fasting helps to attain taqwa, which is performing of actions which please Allah and abstaining from those actions that displease Him. Fasting is seen as a way of cleanse the soul and have empathy for those in the world who are hungry and less fortunate. Each day during Ramadan, Muslims do not eat or drink from sunrise to sunset. They are also supposed to avoid impure thoughts and bad behavior. The first pre-dawn meal of the day during Ramadan is called suhoor. Each day's fast is broken with a meal known as iftar. Umrah, which is shorter or minor pilgrimage in Ramadan, is equivalent to Hajj, which is major pilgrimage. It is very rewarding act in Ramadan to offer iftar, which is sunset meal, to break fast to those who are fasting. It is also highly recommended to give zakat, which is obligatory tax or donation, that is 2.5% of the wealth, savings or assets, and sadaqah, which is voluntary charity, in the Ramadan. Ramadan ends with Eid al-Fitr on the first day of Shawwal, with much celebration and feasting. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.